Did you know that everything you need for a full week of high-protein meals is waiting for you right at Target for just $40? No overpriced health stores, no confusing recipes, just simple, real food that actually works for fat loss. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the complete grocery list and a full 7-day meal plan. Let's start with the grocery list so you know exactly what to grab and exactly what it'll cost you. Good and Gather chicken breast, 2 pounds, $9. 1 dozen eggs, $3.50. Good and Gather Greek yogurt, 32 ounces, $4.50. Rolled oats, $3. Broccoli and baby spinach, $7. Canned tuna, 4 cans, $5. Brown rice, $3.50. And cottage cheese, $4.50. Now, cottage cheese might seem like an odd choice, but trust me on this one. It is your secret weapon for staying full between meals. The grand total? $40 exactly. And every single item is from Target's own Good and Gather line, which means you're getting quality food without the premium price tag. Now, let's get into the meal plan. Every single day, you'll be hitting between 120 and 150 grams of protein. Day 1. Breakfast, a bowl of Greek yogurt with oats. Lunch, a tuna and spinach salad. And dinner, grilled chicken with broccoli and brown rice. That's 125 grams of protein in a single day. Day 2. Breakfast, a 3-egg omelet with fresh spinach. Lunch, chicken stir-fry with broccoli and rice. And dinner, a warm tuna rice bowl. Day 3. Breakfast, oats mixed with cottage cheese. Lunch, a tuna and spinach salad. And dinner, chicken with broccoli and rice. Day 4. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with oats. Lunch, a quick egg scramble with spinach. And dinner, a tuna rice bowl. Day 5. Breakfast, a spinach egg omelet. Lunch, chicken stir-fry. And dinner, a cottage cheese rice bowl. Day 6. Breakfast, oats with Greek yogurt. Lunch, tuna with broccoli. And dinner, grilled chicken over a bed of spinach. And Day 7, the final day. Breakfast, a creamy cottage cheese bowl. Lunch, a chicken rice bowl. And for dinner, tuna with broccoli and rice to close out the week on a strong note. Now let's talk real results. If you stick to this plan and keep a moderate calorie deficit, you can realistically expect to lose between ½ pound and 1 pound of actual body fat every single week. Not water weight, not bloating changes, actual fat loss. Tip 1. Batch cook your chicken and brown rice every Sunday. It takes about 30 minutes, and it saves you from making decisions every single day. Less thinking, more results. Tip 2. Make cottage cheese your go-to snack between meals. 1 cup gives you around 25 grams of protein, and it genuinely keeps hunger away for hours. And that is your complete $40 Target meal plan. 7 days, high protein, simple ingredients, real results. Now I want to hear from you. Which item on this list surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button because next week we are doing something really fun. Walmart versus Target. Same $40 budget. Which store actually wins? You will not want to miss that one. Thanks so much for watching. Take good care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.